Primetime news this evening. Everald Warmington and Dennis Meadows lose their respective posts following controversial comments.
Close to 100 Jamaicans wanted by the U.S. for scamming.
And EOJ finalizes local government election count for 10 parishes. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious with a preview of what's to come in business news. Here's Javon Keys.
Well, Janelle, Jamaica's construction industry saw a marginal increase at the end of last year, and also we're going to be looking at inflation for the producers in the manufacturing industry. I'll have that and more in the business day.
Okay, and Spencer Darlington is also here with a preview of what's to come in sports. Spencer?
Thank you, Herman. 2 quarter-milers will get Jamaica's campaign underway at the World Indoor Championships tomorrow morning, Jamaica time. We'll give you more details in Primetime Sports later.
And from Spencer, we go to Romaine with a preview of the weather report and forecast.
Thanks, Janella. We are expecting a few isolated showers in the afternoons as we move up to the weekend, but drier conditions are forecast for next week.
Okay, there's also sports commentary and E-Prime in the newscast. But before the break, here's our feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on today's exit of Dennis Meadows and Everald Warmington?
Now you can share those comments online at facebook.com/televisionjamaica or on X at TVJ News Center.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.